To get started using Zotero, go to the Zotero website at Zotero.org. Next, click the Download button. Then download and run Zotero 6 for Mac or for Windows, and you'll need to install a browser connector for each browser you're going to use. I recommend using Chrome or Firefox. Once you've installed the browser connector, you may need to go up to your extensions and pin the Zotero icon to the taskbar. Next, register for a free account. This allows you to sync your desktop Zotero with your free online Zotero account, and it backs up your files. So fill out this information and then click Register. Next, open your Zotero library in order to customize it. You'll see that I have items in my collection already. Your collection will be empty. I'm on a Mac, so I am clicking on Zotero and Preferences. If you're on a PC, you'll want to click on Edit and Preferences. Here's what that looks like on a PC. One change that I'll make is I will deselect Automatically Take Snapshots in order to save file space. If I click on Sync, you can see that I have signed into my Zotero account so that my account is linked, and as long as I have internet access, any changes that I make to my Zotero desktop library will be synced with my online Zotero account. You can change those options here. You can also change file syncing options here. Another way that you can customize your Zotero library is by clicking on View. You can change the layout of your Zotero library. You can also change the font size in order to make it bigger or smaller. For more information about using Zotero, go to the Zotero website at Zotero.org. Click on the documentation link to get more information about using Zotero. For troubleshooting help, go to the forums. You can browse issues or you can search.